Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to delete the video on your Instagram account. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You only have to do is go to Instagram application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, in the Instagram account, click the profile picture on the lower right side in your screen. So okay, click the profile picture. So okay guys, we are here in your profile, and now you can find the video you want to delete. So okay guys, you can see the video and picture you upload in your Instagram account. So okay guys, but this in tutorial I will teach you how to delete the video in your Instagram account. So okay, you can choose your video you want to delete. So okay, for my example, this one. So click the video you want to delete. So okay guys, you can see the three dots on the upper right side on the video you want to delete. Click this. So okay, we have a pop-up. So you have to do is click the delete. So guys, another pop-up and confirm deletion. So okay, you have to do is click delete. Okay, deleting the video. So okay guys, we have successfully deleted the video on the Instagram. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, thank you for watching.